In the vast corridors of African history, a few names have become almost synonymous with the nations they led. While the world outside changes at a blurring pace, time inside their presidential palaces seems to move differently. Here is the factual and captivating story of some of the titans who have held the reins of power the longest as of 2025. 1. Teodoro Obiang Nguema Mbasogo, Equatorial Guinea. Years in power, 46. In August 1979, a young lieutenant colonel named Teodoro Obiang Nguema Mbasogo took power in a dramatic coup. Since that day, he has remained the immovable anchor of Equatorial Guinea. Having survived dozens of coup attempts and seen the discovery of massive oil reserves that transformed his nation's economy, Obiang holds the world record for the longest-serving president, excluding monarchs. 2. Paul Biya, Cameroon. Years in power, 43. Nicknamed the Sphinx for his quiet and elusive political style, Paul Biya has led Cameroon since 1982. Even at 92 years old, he remains the oldest head of state in the world. In October 2025, he secured an eighth term in office, continuing a reign that has seen the transition from a one-party state to a complex multi-party system, all while maintaining a firm grip on the hinge of Africa. 3. Denis Sassou Nguesso, Republic of the Congo. Years in power, 41, combined. Sassou Nguesso's story is one of a rare political comeback. He first ruled from 1979 to 1992, then returned to power in 1997 following a civil war. Between his two tenures, he has spent over 4 decades at the helm in Brazzaville. He is often seen as a veteran mediator in regional African conflicts, using his decades of experience to navigate the continent's complex geopolitics. 4. Yoweri Museveni, Uganda. Years in power, 39. When Yoweri Museveni marched into Kampala in 1986 after a successful 5-year guerrilla war, he promised a fundamental change. Nearly 40 years later, he is one of Africa's most influential figures.